Kritika, what are you doing?
I'm just reading this book.
Oh, you are trying to read a book? Good, good. Just try reading. Yes, read it. Read the heading, Kritika.
Actually, this is a history book, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
The Portuguese in India.
Oh,
After the decline of Roman Empire in the several century, the Arabs has established their dom- domination in Egypt and Persia. Direct contact between the Europeans and India declined, and with that, the easy accessibilities to the Indian. Uh,
wow. Show me how small the letters. Wow.
can see,
Good.
madam.
Ah, yes, yes. I can see, I can see. Very good, Kritika. Good job.